So in this video we're asked to write a method called indexOf, which accepts a value as a parameter and it returns the index of the first occurrence of this value. If the value is not in the list, we just return -1. So we're going to return an integer, and the method is called indexOf, which is going to take some value. And once again, like traversing through all of our lists, we want to keep track of current, which is going to point to the front, and we say while current is not equal to null, we want to say current is equal to current.next. Now, I'm just having some issues typing. So what exactly do we want to do in this method? Well, we want to say if the current.data happens to be equivalent to the value, we want to return. And we actually want to return an index. And actually, in order to do that, we should probably also keep track of an integer called index. And we'll set it to 0. So in this case, we'll just return index. Before we actually move our current, we should say that we want to increment index by 1. We actually have one little issue here where we need to return -1 at the very end. The reason why we return -1 at the very end is because if we haven't seen the information, then we know that we just want to return -1, because if we break out of this while loop, we know that we will have not seen the index whatsoever, or the value whatsoever. So we're going to run this. Hopefully everything works. Hopefully there's no infinite loop. I don't think there is. There shouldn't be. I've been careful somewhat. Okay, so it's running, it's running. There are probably a bunch of people actually on PracticeIt right now. It's probably what's causing a little backup here. We can keep following this. Now, okay, there we go. I was about to say if it didn't show up, then I might as well just refresh the page. But looks like we didn't have to do that. So anyways, we'll see you guys next time.